As your bees are collecting nectar from nearby flowers, the queen's back at the hive busy laying eggs, and your colony's getting stronger. As the honey flow continues, your new nuke needs more space. If you're new to beekeeping or just want to learn more, please comment below with any questions you have. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer a young colony from the nuke into a full-size hive box. You'll start by adding a feeder, if you have one, to the right side of the hive box. If you don't have a feeder, you can follow one of my affiliate links below in the description. You'll then add 2 frames. Open your nuke. You should see plenty of bees and light-colored wax. Carefully remove the first frame from the nuke. Make as much space as you can by sliding all the frames toward one side. This way, you won't damage the brood or bees in the process. Place the nuke frame into the hive box. Continue with each frame, one at a time. This is a great time to inspect the brood and try to find the queen. When your last nuke frame is in the hive box, you can gently shake the bees from the bottom of the nuke onto the top of the hive box frames. Slide the frames toward the feeder and put in another empty frame. Slide the frames and feeder till they're snug to one side, leaving the excess space by the feeder. Move your nuke out of the way and put your hive box in its place, so the new hive entrance is where the entrance of the nuke used to be. Put your lid in place. Check the description for my links, and please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.